Hey guys, it's Stella here from FLOMO, and I'm doing another video, and this time I'm making flowers. All you need is some paper. I'm using poster boards, but you can use construction paper, a square of more paper that's green, and tape and scissors, and a pencil. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is get this pink paper, and I'm just gonna cut a line down the center. So what you have to do is cut lines down. I cut it all the way, and now it looks like this. So you just have to curl them all with this pencil. So here is what it looks like, and it's time to do rat, which comes out like this. So all I really have to do is fold it in half. And then all you want to do is cut it into a triangular shape. And it turns into grass. And all you have to do now is make a stem. And now all I have to do is tape it. And you want to make sure that the tape is nice and tight and secure. So now what you're going to do is get this flower, and I'm gonna wrap it like this, and I'm gonna add some grass to it. So the finished product looks like this. I think it's really pretty. I love that it's nice and curly. Put it in your vase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and check out my other videos. Bye!